I really enjoy seeing the trends and what they, the other is technology. I really enjoy seeing, you know, what all of the technology companies, how they're incorporating. There was one last year and it was Crystal Cabinetry, and I believe it was Hefler that did some very interesting internal lighting. It had some options, and I think it was actually like tagged as one of the best of show. It was fascinating. So I enjoy that. I enjoy seeing anything that elevates our design work, elevates our projects, and separates us from the pack. I think that's the best way of putting it. If we can have that knowledge in those offerings, it separates us.
Be sure to subscribe to KBB's YouTube channel and click the like button on our videos. You can also subscribe to the From the Tap podcasts on such apps as Apple, Spotify, Pandora, and Google Podcasts. And please feel free to leave a review.